If you have tried everything but that extra fat won't budge an inch, then this is the video for you. The purpose of making this video is to show you how you can cut the extra fat from the body using the powerful techniques of ancient Indian nutritional science. Ayurveda teaches us that it is high kapha dosha that leads to excess fat accumulation in the body, and there are certain foods and right combinations which balance it speedily. This is an extreme diet to rapidly lose weight in a short period of 6 weeks and is not meant to be followed as a lifestyle. So do not expect this diet to be a cakewalk, and I recommend that you follow it only if you are serious about fat loss. Don't worry, right from waking up in the morning till sleeping at night, I will show you exactly what and how you should eat, giving multiple options for each meal. So grab a pen and a paper and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. First thing in the morning, upon waking up, you have to drink 2 to 3 glasses of copper charged water. Every night before sleeping, store the water in a clean copper jug and keep it on a wooden surface to prevent earthing. Then just after you wake up, before brushing teeth, drink this water slowly sip by sip. The early morning saliva is highly medicinal and actually promotes fat loss. You can drink this water warm or at room temperature. To heat it, keep the jug as it is over the flame. Since it has plain water, heating the copper jug won't be an issue. Do not transfer the copper jug water into any other metal container. After drinking this water, go freshen up and then make sure that you do yoga. I have already shared with you 15 minutes follow along yoga routine video, which is a careful combination of body stretches like Surya Namaskar, boat pose, Markatasana and others, along with some highly effective breathing exercises like Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom and Agnisar. Just spending 15 minutes daily on it will increase your basal metabolic rate, which is extremely helpful to cut the extra fat from the body. Alright, after you are done with morning yoga, take a break of 15 minutes and then you have to consume this powerful Ayurvedic concoction. To make it, in a glass, put 4 teaspoons of amla juice, 4 teaspoons of aloe vera juice with fiber, take a thumb-sized ginger, grate it, press it with hands to extract its juice and add it. Next goes in the most powerful ingredient, 4 teaspoons of ashwagandha leaf juice. Mind you, this is ashwagandha leaf juice and not the ashwagandha root powder which is commonly used. Nature is quite mysterious. Where ashwagandha root powder is used in Ayurvedic medicines for weight gain, leaf juice of the same ashwagandha plant is an excellent fat loss promoter. Add a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of turmeric to it. Finally, add about the same amount of warm water to it. Mix thoroughly and your effective kapha reducing Ayurvedic drink is ready. Drink it slowly sip by sip. One thing which is important to note is that ashwagandha leaf juice is not recommended for daily consumption as per Ayurveda. So make sure that you add it for 7 days at a stretch and give a gap of 3 days. Then again start and so on. After you have had this juice, make sure that you do not eat anything for the next 1 hour. Let it work. Now it's time for breakfast. For breakfast, you need to eat something which is light yet super nutritious. According to Ayurveda, nothing is better than a bowl of sprouts. Naturally high in protein, rich in micronutrients, full of pranic energy, sprouts are superfoods. I have already shared with you how you can easily make them at home using a variety of foods. You can have them savory using rock salt or sweet using fruits. The recipes to both are on the channel. However, while making savory version, avoid adding onion. Actually, according to this Ayurvedic extreme fat loss diet, you should avoid onions altogether. Spring onion is okay. 3 out of 7 days, I recommend you stick to sprouts for breakfast. On other days, you can have 2 besan chilas with mint chutney or moong dal dosa with chutney or boiled chana chaat, or you can have masala oats or millet dalia or multigrain dalia. You can also have vegetable soup. Sattu drink, sweet or salty in itself, is highly nutritious protein packed Indian smoothie. Alright, so 1 hour after breakfast and 30 minutes before lunch, in this time period you need to consume 2 to 3 glasses of warm or even hot water. This will keep the metabolism up and reduce food cravings if any. Coming to the next meal of the day, which is lunch. For lunch, you can have 2 multigrain chapatis along with any seasonal curry like carrots, capsicum, bottle gourds, beetroots, cauliflower, cabbage, peas, palak, mushroom, etc. As per Ayurvedic texts, if your goal is to cut fat, you should avoid consuming roti and rice together. So either have multigrain roti or semi-brown rice. Secondly, certain vegetables like jackfruit, potatoes, yams, lentils and pulses are best avoided in lunch if you want the best out of this diet. If you like potatoes, then you can have them roasted than boiled along with steamed vegetables. It's actually a good lunch option. Then masala oats, millet dalia, besan chila, ragi dosa can also be consumed in lunch. Milk and and milk products are to be totally skipped from this diet. Max you can do is have a teaspoon of A2 Desi cow ghee. Then again 1 hour after lunch and 30 minutes before you eat anything in the evening, make sure you drink 2 to 3 glasses of warm or hot water. As per Ayurveda, kidneys are working the best at this time, and drinking warm water then will accelerate the detox process. For the evening snack, I recommend that you chew 4 soaked peeled off almonds, 2 soaked walnuts and 2 dry figs. Along with them have Ayurvedic herbal tea. I have linked some of the good ones in the description box. However, you can easily make a herbal tea at home. In a pan, simply add 500 ml of water, add ginger, cardamom, cinnamon stick and mint leaves. Boil until the water reduces to half. Strain the mixture, add lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and it's ready. Actually, you can have this tea in between breakfast or lunch also if you feel hungry. You can even replace dry fruits with fruits like apple, guava or pomegranate. If you feel like eating something crunchy, roasted phool makhana are ideal. Coming to dinner, make a point to consume it early, preferably by 7 pm. Keep it very light. Soups are the best. Underrated actually. Not only they are light but are also very filling. You can have tomato soup with makhana. Mixed vegetable soup is a great option too. Lauki soup is highly recommended. Mushroom soup also promotes fat loss. You can also have moong dal water with some rock salt and bhuna jeera in it. It is so nutritious that it has been compared to milk in Ayurveda. After dinner, go out for a light walk. It will greatly speed up the fat loss process. Then finally go to sleep. The body fat actually reduces when you are sleeping. All the effort that you have put throughout the day, this is the time to reap its benefits. So do not compromise on sleep. In this meal plan, I have intentionally not shown the calories and macronutrients, as our food is much more than the calories it contains. This is what our ancient Ayurvedic scriptures have always propagated. Also, there are no milk or milk products. As powerful or healthy as they might be, but for this short-term diet, they are best avoided due to their kapha increasing properties. After this diet, you can gradually increase grains and milk products in your diet. If you follow every bit that I have spoken in this video, no matter how stubborn your body fat may be, it will melt. Even though this is a short-term extreme diet, but contrary to other fad diets in the market, this is a carefully designed meal plan in accordance with Ayurveda, which increases the vitality of the body and is actually healthy. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then please give it a big thumbs up. Suffering from hair fall, I highly recommend that you check out the Tribe Concepts Hair Grow Kit, which includes their 90-day miracle hair oil and an organic hair cleanser. The oil is made with 100% natural ingredients brewed in sesame oil, which the company promises it to be a unique recipe for hair growth when used for 3 months regularly. Their hair cleanser is made solely from natural soap berries, shikakai, amla, hibiscus, fenugreek and nothing else. The company stresses that it's not just the natural ingredients but the proportion of each ingredient that makes their products so effective. What impressed me was their stainless steel packaging that surely maintains the efficacy of the product. The Tribe Concepts also has a root strengthening and conditioning hair mask, a face brightening cleanser and Kumkumadi Tailam. All these products are 100% safe and natural, recommended for both men and women. To buy them, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 10% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I almost every Saturday at 11 am do a Q&A session. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.